Good morning students. Today's transcription number 78 on the speed of underwords per minute. Start. Madam Vice Chairman, yesterday the Honorable Minister made a very strong case for his resolution. He stressed the necessity for an integrated approach to these problems. He appealed in the name of national integration to accept this proposal. He also stressed the necessity of having emotional integration through this measure. Well, I am not against having an integrated approach as far as both education and agriculture are concerned. But my fear is whether this step in the present context will at all help the integrated approach which he wants and the national integration which he is aspiring for. Now, I will concentrate more on the educational service. I was thinking about this problem after I heard the Honorable Minister yesterday with my state in my mind. Our state is considered to be one of those which are so far ahead in education. But unfortunately, the situation there is not very happy. Coming to college education in our state, there are a large number of private colleges. There are a number of government colleges and there are a few colleges directly under the university. Now, those college teachers who are directly under the university are considered to be the blessed few because they have a higher salary, fewer hours of work, and sometimes the number of students whom they have to teach happens to be very limited, whereas teachers with the same qualification employed in government colleges have to work 18 hours or even more and they get a meager salary. The creation of these university teachers instead of helping to integrate is causing so much of discontent among the government college teachers. Now, this creation of an all India education service will create another few persons who may be much better placed than either the university teachers or the government college teachers. This state of affairs, I am afraid, will create more confusion rather than help integration. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a third category of private college teachers. Their condition is not very much better than that of high school teachers. In some cases, their condition is worse. The pay they used to get was so low that whenever they got a better chance elsewhere, they used to leave these colleges and go. The result of this state of affairs on the education in the colleges is that their standards are very low throughout the whole country.